In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to tell if Nordvpn is running in the background on your computer. This is a quick and straightforward process that we'll walk through together, so you can ensure your online activities are secure and private at all times. To get started, we'll need to open the Task Manager. The Task Manager is an essential tool in Windows that gives you insight into all the applications and processes running on your computer. It helps you see what's going on under the hood, so to speak. You can open Task Manager by right-clicking on the taskbar at the bottom of your screen and selecting Task Manager from the menu that appears. Alternatively, you can press Ctrl+, Shift, +ESC all at once, and this will open it directly. Once you have the Task Manager open, click on the Processes tab if it's not already selected. This tab gives you a detailed view of everything currently running on your computer. Here, you'll see a list of applications and background processes. It's organized so that the top-level items are applications like your web browser or word processor, while the lower section details background processes that apps use to function. Now, scroll through the list and look for Nordvpn. You might find it under the Apps section or the Background Processes section, depending on your settings and how you're using the application. When you find it listed here, this indicates that Nordvpn is indeed running in the background on your computer. If you want to ensure its status further, double-click on Nordvpn to expand the category and see all the related processes beneath it. It will provide additional confirmation that the VPN is actively running and doing its job of protecting your internet traffic. If you cannot find Nordvpn in the list, it might mean that the application is not running at the moment. In this case, you can manually launch the Nordvpn application from your desktop or Start menu to initiate your VPN connection. A crucial tip to remember is that keeping your VPN running is necessary for maintaining your online privacy and security, especially if you frequently use public Wi-Fi networks or access sensitive information online. By ensuring that Nordvpn is actively running, you can have peace of mind knowing your data is encrypted and your location is kept private. And there you have it. We've walked through how to check if Nordvpn is running in the background using the Task Manager. It's always good to perform this check every now and then to make sure that everything is functioning correctly. Thanks for watching, and remember to like and subscribe to stay updated with more handy tech tips and tutorials. Enjoy your secure browsing.